Hello children, welcome back to Max Made Easy. Let's continue with Geometry, Pythagoras Theorem, Introduction. Let's know what is Pythagoras Theorem and what is the formula for it. Here, this is a right angle triangle. How to identify right angle triangle is, look at this line, it will be in the shape of L and there will be a slanting line, slanting side. So, this is right angle triangle. And let's name the vertices as A, B and C. These are the vertex. Vertex means this point, the point where my cursor is. This is called as vertex. It is the ending point. This point is called as C, vertex, right? So we have named the vertexes as A, B and C, right? And this is the side. A and C is the side. I hope you understood this. This is called as side and this is called as where my cursor is. That point is called as vertex C and this is vertex A and this is vertex B. And here angle ABC is called as angle, right? So this angle is formed over here. This angle. This is the angle of ABC. Similarly, this is the angle of CAB. CAB, wherever my cursor is moving, that forms an angle with vertex A, right? That means this point A. Angle CAB forms an angle with vertex A. I hope it's clear, right? Because it will be helpful while doing the problems. And similarly, ACB is forms an angle with vertex C. That means when see my cursor A, C, B, right? And it C is forming the center point for that angle ACB with the vertex C. That's why we call it as vertex C. I hope you understood this. Let's move on to the next one. In the adjoining figure, the right angle triangle, angle ABC. Always this angle will be 90° in right angle. Whenever anyone speaks about right angle triangle, that means that that angle should have 90°. So this angle will be 90°. Is it clear? Next, so it is forming over here. This will be 90°. And this 90° is always indicated with a small square at the vertex B with angle ABC. So ABC forms an angle with vertex B and the angle between them is 90°. The opposite side of this ABC. See, this is the angle ABC, angle ABC, right? This is the angle. And what is the opposite side of this ABC? Side. That means this is the side. A and C is the side of this angle ABC. I hope it's clear. And this side is called as hypothesis. What is it is called as? AC is called as hypothesis and it is the largest side of this right angle triangle. When compared to AB and BC side, AC will be always greater, always larger. That size measurement will be larger. Is it clear? For solving the problems, you need to understand this. Then only you can solve the problems. That means A and C is the hypothesis and similarly AB is one of the side and it is height. What it is? It is the height. It is called as height and similarly CB is called as base. Base means lower side. So this is the base. And similarly they may just rotate this right angle triangle, uh, then you may face some difficulty in identifying it. Okay, in our next slide I will explain you even that. Let's learn what is Pythagoras theorem. Here even this is a right angle triangle and I have just rotated the previous diagram, right? At the final I will just again show you. So even this is a right angle triangle, and just I have rotated the same picture which I have shown in the previous slide. And let's name the vertices as A, B, C. As I already said you, vertex is nothing but the just this point. This is called as vertex, right? And this is called as sides of a triangle. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, in right angle triangle, the square of the hypothesis, this is the hypothesis. BC is a hypothesis. If you look carefully, the square of this, that means doubling of this side, look at my cursor, this is the side. Doubling of the side is equal to what? Equal to the side square of the side AB plus square of BC. That means when you double this side BC and square it, that is double means square it. Double of this side AB, if suppose this is length 2, right? So 2 2s are 4, doubling of this side. Plus with that you need to add this side AC and doubling of this. Even if this side is 2, then 2 into 2 is 4, and 4 plus 4 will be 8, doubling adding of sum of this two sides. In my next slide, in my next video, I will be explaining some examples, and I will give those links in the description box. You can just have a look. In the adjoining figure, BAC. BAC is 90 degree. As I said you, hypothesis will be the largest side, as well as in some cases in this kind of diagram you can just identify that, see here this is angle 90, right? So just opposite side of this angle will be BC. So that will be the hypothesis. Just opposite to this degree will be hypothesis. That means BC will be the hypothesis. This is one more method of identifying which side is hypothesis if the diagram is given in this way. Is it clear? There are two ways of identifying the hypothesis. One is it should be the largest side. The side which is having a largest measurement will be the hypothesis, and another method is just you can find a square over here, right? This angle is indicated with square. Always a 90 degrees is indicated with a square symbol. So just opposite to that side, opposite to that angle, which side you can see? You can see BC, right? So this is also called as hypothesis. These are two methods for identifying the hypothesis. And AB and AC are the remaining two sides, right? I have just rotated this diagram. If you rotate this diagram, you will get this one, right? For your understanding, I have just mentioned it, and I have marked the vertex, and here this is the angle 90 degree. According to the Pythagoras theorem, the square of the hypothesis, that means this one, BC square is equal to AC square plus AB square. This is the formula which you need to remember. I hope it's very clear, right? Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell button. Check the description box for Pythagoras theorem. Thank you.